Yeah, you got a tanning hill for sure. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? We are doing 4 boxes. Alright, Kyle Lewis. There's a LaMelo base, a LaMelo refractor, and Christian Doolittle. I'm about to look up all these guys. I don't know everybody. Udoka Azubuike was out of 49. Devin Vassell, Jaden McDaniels, and Patrick Williams. That is for the Bulls. He must suck then if he's a damn boomer. Like, yeah, Rob. I posted it on the page. Halliburton. Jalen Halliburton is Sacramento. Jalen Smith is Phoenix. Tyrese Halliburton once again. Sacramento. Precious Acho. Wow, refractor that he is for the Miami Heat. I know that one. Another Tyrese Halliburton. Ashton Higgins. Ashton Higgins. Goddamn. Every variation of Ashton Higgins. 3 cards. Yeah, you got in, Rob, I believe. Let's see, Stewart, my boy Denny. That's Washington. Out of 149, Alpha Diallo. I have no idea. Alpha Diallo. Isaiah Stewart, Hyper, Precious, Zeke, and Peyton Pritchard. Peyton Pritchard is Boston, I believe. Cole Anthony, Orlando. Theo Maladin. Sadiq Bey. What's that? Sadiq Bey is what, Detroit? This is for the Pelicans. Kira Lewis Jr. Pelicans. Killian Hayes. Isaac Okoro, which I believe is Cleveland. Alright. Pritchard, I thought went to Boston. Is it Boston that he went to? Like I said, I'm learning all these guys like everybody else learning. I'm not. James Wiseman, Golden State. Tyrese Maxey. Paul Reed. Xavier Tillman. This dude went to Washington. Killian Hayes, Patrick Williams. Yeah, Ultimate's at the end. Be around 10:30. As long as Nick can update the list, and then just if Nick don't update the list, then I gotta do it, and that delays everything. Hopefully he can update it. Winston, Robert Woodard, Obi Toppin, New York, Lamar Stevens, Penn State. I have no idea. McDaniels, a gold, Theo Malden. Ooh, out of 5. That's a black. Out of 5. Anybody knows? Theo Amalgam, Wiseman, and anybody knows about Theo? I can't think of it where he plays at. But out of 5, 2 of 5. He's from France. Denny, Arturo, Zeke Naji, Devin Vassell out of 99. No idea. There's a LaMelo Hyper, Arturo, Tyler Bay, and Nakoro. Vessel, Devin Dotson, which I believe is like Miami or something. Jordan Bowden, Hyper. No, Hypers aren't numbered. They never are. See? Not numbered. Sure. Tyrese Halliburton. Denny. Precious Cassius Stanley Silver. There's that dude Theo Malden again. Refractor. Carl Lewis Pelicans. Peyton Pritchard, which I'm pretty sure Precious. Jalen, Denny, Kira Lewis, a redemption. Who the hell is a redemption? Jalen Smith, Josh Green. There's the Obi Toppin and McDaniels. First time I see a redemption in this product. Dwayne Sutton. Prospect autograph red. Dwayne Sutton. Who the hell's that? Whoever that is. Tomorrow, got 4 more of this case. Still got something big coming. James Wiseman, there's Denny. RJ Hampton, that's Denver. Josh Mooney out of 149. Josh. Vernon Carey. Devin Vassell. Marcus Howard, Tyler B. Tyrese, Naismith, Aquawani, and him again. Aquagu, Refractor. Kira red, LaMelo Ball. That's not numbered. That's Trey Jones. Obi Toppin, Quentin Rose, a little hyper action. Quentin Rose. Hi, Robert Woodard. Nice Anthony Edwards out of 149 for the T-Wolves. Mike, really nice hit. Jalen and Killian. Zeke, Silver, Peyton Pritchard. I think that's a hyper. Pretty sure he's Boston. Might be wrong. RJ Hampton, Tyrese Halliburton, Green, and Stewart. Devin Dotson, Mustafa Heron, Zeke, Cassius Stanley, Cole Anthony, RJ Hampton. Last box, y'all. Anthony Edwards. Obi Toppin silver. Mustafa Heron again. Yep. 2 Mustafa Herons. I have no idea who he goes to. Trey Jones. There's a nice LaMelo out of 149. Global prospect. Higgins and Higgins. But tomorrow we're going to have 4 more boxes of this. Seems like they still got some really good stuff in that case. Anybody wants a box? It's $2.50 a box. Anybody wants a pack? If I can get 5 people, it's $50 a pack. Anthony Edwards, Cole Anthony, Patrick Williams, Bulls. There's the Onika Okongwu. Can't say the name. Zeke. There's Anthony Edwards. Zeke and Peyton Pritchard. Hampton, Jay McDaniels. Jake Toolson out of 199. There's a Kwangwu. Precious, Miami, at 199. Jalen. In 10 minutes, Jake, in about 10, 15 minutes. Ashton Higgins, Azubuike, 199. I believe it's like Utah is Azubuike. For some reason that pops up Monday. Oh. Precious, James Wiseman, Killian, and Patrick Williams. Last pack. Hampton, Jordan Noah, Higgins, Tariq Jones. I believe he's undrafted. He might be drafted now. I mean, picked up by somebody. Hyper of Naismith. Ooh, a nice Obi Toppin out of 149. Killian Precious. Okay. Okay, let's do rundown. Okay, so we have 4 more boxes tomorrow. Should be some good. I'm telling you, they got something special in that box that we haven't pulled yet. Tyreek Jones, Awagu, Heron and Heron, Quinn Rose, Kwangwu. We just pulled that dude? Yeah. Oniqua. Theo Maladin, Refractor. Hyper, Jordan Bowden. Lamar Stevens. Paul Reeds. Carolus, Refractor. Precious, Refractor. Doolittle. Red. Azubuike. Toolson. Then Blue Mooney, Vassal, Diallo, and a redemption of Dwayne Sutton with a bunch of color. One, two, three, 4, 5. Giveaway spot. One, 2, 3, 4. Sutherland, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Urksa and Lonnie. All right, cage him out.